Hi, it's Craig here for another mindful moment. And I think a really topical issue at the moment is considering how can we boost our immunity, our resistance to disease, and pretty topical considering the COVID-19 issue at the moment. One of the things we've known for a number of decades now, through the science of psychoneuroimmunology, the mind through the nervous system talks to the immune system, is that when we get very stressed, we feel socially isolated, poor mental health, this can have a negative impact on our immunity. That's the negative side of it. I'd much rather focus on the more positive side of it. That is, every time we do something that has an investment in our mental and emotional health, that we connect with others. Cultivating more positive emotions, for example, laughter, all of these things can have positive impacts on our immunity. And of course, mindfulness is one of the things that people get really interested in. What are the physical effects of it? And there's been quite a lot of research to show that mindfulness can actually operate on a number of levels to enhance immunity. Studies have shown, for example, if people practice mindfulness, they're less likely to get acute respiratory illnesses. And if they get one, it's far more likely it's going to be far less severe. And so the symptom severity is much, much less. And also, one study was looking at the number of days off work, and they found that there are a quarter of the number of days off work sick for people that had practiced mindfulness compared to those who didn't. Now, we even know that mindfulness has been found to help boost healthy immunity by operating on the actual chromosomes that regulate our immune response. So it actually switches down chromosomes associated with inflammation, and it's been found to switch on chromosomes associated with boosting healthy immunity. So these are epigenetic effects. So there's quite a lot out there, but people have known for a long time that if we manage our stress better, if we're more able to be at peace with ourselves, if we're less activating this stress response when we don't need to, we actually have better physical health. And there's quite a science behind that. So I hope that you practice mindfulness now, along with get some exercise, get a little bit of sunlight. Your vitamin D is important. Eat a good diet, look after your sleep, connect well with others, even if it's from a remote location. All of these things are going to be good for your physical health as well as your mental health.